Cinnamon is a highly delicious spice. It has been prized for its medicinal properties for thousands of years. Modern science has now confirmed what people have instinctively known for ages. Here are 10 health benefits of cinnamon that are supported by scientific research. 10 evidence-based health benefits of cinnamon.
If you are a first-time viewer, click the red subscribe button and enjoy.
10. Cinnamon is high in a substance with powerful medicinal properties. Cinnamon is a spice that is made from the inner bark of trees called cinnamomum. It has been used as an ingredient throughout history, dating back as far as ancient Egypt. It used to be rare and valuable and was regarded as a gift fit for kings. These days, cinnamon is cheap, available in every supermarket and found in all sorts of foods and recipes. There are two main types of cinnamon: Ceylon cinnamon, also known as true cinnamon, cassia cinnamon. This is the more common variety today, what people generally refer to as cinnamon. Cinnamon is made by cutting the stems of the cinnamomum tree. The inner bark is then extracted and the woody parts removed from it. When it dries, it forms strips that curl into rolls, called cinnamon sticks. The sticks can be ground to form cinnamon powder. The distinct smell and flavor of cinnamon is due to the oily part, which is very high in a compound called cinnamaldehyde. It is this compound that is responsible for most of cinnamon's powerful effects on health and metabolism. 9. Cinnamon is loaded with antioxidants. Antioxidants protect the body from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Cinnamon is loaded with powerful antioxidants, such as polyphenols. In a study that compared the antioxidant activity of 26 spices, cinnamon wound up as the clear winner, even outranking superfoods like garlic and oregano. In fact, it is so powerful that cinnamon can be used as a natural food preservative. 8. Cinnamon has anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation in the body is incredibly important. It helps the body fight infections and repair tissue damage. However, inflammation can become a problem when it is chronic, long-term, and directed against the body's own tissues. Cinnamon may be useful in this regard because some studies show that the antioxidants in it have potent anti-inflammatory activity. 7. Cinnamon may cut the risk of heart disease. Cinnamon has been linked with reduced risk of heart disease, the world's most common cause of premature death. In people with type 2 diabetes, 1 gram of cinnamon per day has beneficial effects on blood markers. It reduces levels of total cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, and triglycerides, while HDL cholesterol remains stable. More recently, a big review study concluded that a cinnamon dose of just 120 milligrams per day can have these effects. In this study, cinnamon also increased HDL, the good cholesterol. In animal studies, cinnamon has been shown to reduce blood pressure. When combined, all these factors may drastically cut the risk of heart disease. 6. Cinnamon can improve sensitivity to the hormone insulin. Insulin is one of the key hormones that regulate metabolism and energy use. It is also essential for the transport of blood sugar from the bloodstream and into the cells. The problem is that many people are resistant to the effects of insulin. This condition, known as insulin resistance, is a hallmark of serious conditions like metabolic syndrome and type 2 diabetes. Well, the good news is that cinnamon can dramatically reduce insulin resistance, helping this incredibly important hormone to do its job. 5. Cinnamon lowers blood sugar levels and has a powerful anti-diabetic effect. Cinnamon is well known for its blood sugar lowering effects. First, cinnamon has been shown to decrease the amount of glucose that enters the bloodstream after a meal. It does this by interfering with numerous digestive enzymes, which slows the breakdowns of carbohydrates in the digestive tract. Second, a compound in cinnamon can act on cells by mimicking insulin. This greatly improves glucose uptake by cells, although it acts much slower than insulin itself. Numerous human trials have confirmed the anti-diabetic effects of cinnamon, showing that it can lower fasting blood sugar levels by up to 10 to 29%. The effective dose is typically 1 to 6 grams of cinnamon per day, around 0.5 to 2 teaspoons. 4. Cinnamon may have beneficial effects on neurodegenerative diseases. Neurodegenerative diseases are characterized by progressive loss of the structure or function of brain cells. Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease are two of the most common types. Two compounds found in cinnamon appear to inhibit the buildup of a protein called tau in the brain, which is one of the hallmarks of Alzheimer's disease. In a study looking at mice with Parkinson's disease, cinnamon helped to protect neurons, normalize neurotransmitter levels, and improve motor function. These effects need to be studied further in humans. 3. Cinnamon may be protective against cancer. Cancer is a serious disease characterized by uncontrolled growth of cells. Cinnamon has been widely studied for its potential use in cancer prevention and treatment. Overall, the evidence is limited to test tube experiments and animal studies, which suggest that cinnamon extracts may protect against cancer. It acts by reducing the growth of cancer cells and the formation of blood vessels in tumors, and appears to be toxic to cancer cells, causing cell death. A study in mice with colon cancer revealed cinnamon to be a potent activator of detoxifying enzymes in the colon, protecting against further cancer growth. These findings were supported by test tube experiments, which showed that cinnamon activates protective antioxidant responses in human colon cells. 2. Cinnamon helps fight bacterial and fungal infections. Cinnamaldehyde, the main active component of cinnamon, may help fight various kinds of infection. Cinnamon oil has been shown to effectively treat respiratory tract infections caused by fungi. It can also inhibit the growth of certain bacteria, including Listeria and Salmonella. The antimicrobial effects of cinnamon may also help prevent tooth decay and reduce bad breath. 1. Cinnamon may help fight the HIV virus. HIV is a virus that slowly breaks down the immune system, which can eventually lead to AIDS if untreated. Cinnamon extracted from cassia varieties is thought to help fight against HIV-1. This is the most common strain of the HIV virus in humans. A laboratory study looking at HIV-infected cells found that cinnamon was the most effective treatment of all 69 medicinal plants studied. Human trials are needed to confirm these effects. Take-home message. At the end of the day, cinnamon is one of the most delicious and healthiest spices on the planet. It can lower blood sugar levels, reduce heart disease risk factors, and has a plethora of other impressive health benefits.
Tell us in the comments below. Let us know what other things you eat to keep your body healthy. If you liked this video, let YouTube know by hitting the subscribe button down below so you can get more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching. Stay healthy and stay safe. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da